As we age, our bodies and minds naturally begin to slow down, and as we enter into our senior years, this can be a frustrating and difficult process of adjustment as our bones become more brittle and our muscles, joints and tendons less fluid, and therefore more susceptible to injury and illness. The lack of flexibility and mobility caused by the ageing process can create physical health concerns such as osteoarthritis, and our capacity to retain information can decrease, which can in some cases lead to Alzheimer's, which can prove devastating to not only ourselves but our loved ones also. Many elderly people can feel very alone and isolated from society, especially if they no longer have family or many friends. The importance of touch and physical contact is essential to our well-being, and without it, feelings of anxiety and depression may be experienced, leading to feelings of being isolated, alone and vulnerable. For this reason, it is important that we try to stay as active as possible, and not only to continue to engage with others for our own emotional welfare, but also to delay the ageing process and improve mental health. Following a gentle exercise program such as incorporating yoga, swimming or walking, and a healthy diet is important. The addition of massage can have a huge impact on the way we feel, as it not only helps to relieve apprehension and unease, but can also ease joint and muscle pain, therefore reducing stress levels. This can lead to increased energy and a renewed and greater improved quality of life as we enter into our senior years.